How do you merge your STL file to a edentulous patient? Let's find out. Hi, I'm David, the Director of Guided Surgery Division in Real-Time Dental Lab. There are two critical elements when we make a surgical guide. One is the CT scan. The other is the STL file / the model. And there's a critical step for it, which is merge them into one. So in order to merge it correctly, we utilize dual scan protocol. What is dual scan protocol? It means you do two scans. The first scan is to scan the denture itself. The second scan is to scan the patient while wearing the denture and then do the CT scan. So we can use those radiographic markers to merge the scanned denture to the CT scan. So in this webinar, I'll talk about how dual scan protocol is, how do you merge them correctly, and then how do we design the full arch implant accordingly and fabricate a surgical guide utilizing that guided kit. So click the link to save your spot, and I'll see you in the webinar.
The DOS guided system for you.